Hey everyone, it's Pam. I hopped on my desktop today. I really want to be in my bed all day, but I I needed to share a couple things with you guys, okay? So, went to Canva Create yesterday. Amazing time. I'll go again next year. They just need to give us a little bit of time to go from one class to the next. That's it. Everything else was okay. But anyways, I have so much stuff to share with you guys. And so, but I just wanted to come in here, give you just a really short video. But in the next week, I will be sharing videos probably every day because there's a whole bunch of stuff that we can do now. And I'm all excited. But I'm really, really tired today. Flew, I left my house at 4, got to the airport, flew into LA. Then went to the Canva Create, walked 15K steps, didn't eat much. But they had food. Don't worry, there was food. But it was just, I was just excited to learn all the stuff. And then back to the airport. A wonderful new friend took me there, so I didn't have to Uber, which was beautiful. Thank you. And then got home after midnight. So, and I'm a little older, so my bones and my body is telling me today, like, what did you do? So I am a little tired and I need to recover. So give me a day or so, but I do want to share some things. Really excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and I am okay. So first, if you do not have this and you see this, what will you design? And you don't have this when you open your home page. Go to the banner that's on top. It should be somewhere up here. Click 3 times, and you should get in. Hopefully, hopefully. If not, it will be rolling out to everyone eventually. Okay? But first, I'm going to be covering some Canva AI. Oh my God. I can do a whole project in one design. Like I can have my texts and videos I want. Oh my God, it's amazing. But anywho, I'm going to be sharing a little bit more about that later. And then we have Canvas Sheets. People, Canvas Sheets. And it is AI, so it will do the formulas. Oh my God, it's just. And then this is new too. The only reason why I don't have a new little button is because I've been playing with it. So that's something as well. But I want to show you one little thing, and I'm just going to open up. Let me just open up this one. Something that is going to help everyone. And this is actually really something that's going to help with your branding as well. Okay, so, and let me go ahead. I am going to go to my uploads and I'm going to bring in this little monster, yep, that I made in Dreamlab. Okay, yes, I made that in Dream. What do you see that we never had before? Just give you a couple minutes. I'm just going to hover. Hello? Hello. Now, it doesn't bring in all the colors and it doesn't, like, you can't change, like, if I wanted to click on this yellow up here, I can't change that at the moment, okay? But I mean, you can if you do the magic edit, but this is not what this is about, okay? Watch. So now we have some color that we can work with, and we can work with our branding. All right. So first, let me take out the background because we're going to do something fun with this too. All right. Okay, there we go. All right, so I'm going to click on this and I am actually going to, let me go to a different brand that is Bright. My Canva Clubhouse is Bright. So I'm going to change this blue to pink and see what it does. Oh, hello. And then I'm going to change this color to maybe blue. Okay. And then just color. to the blue. All right. So you can see how it doesn't like change it, like it's combining the colors with it, but it's totally different than the one I had, right? And I kind of feel like this is more of a brandish color because I don't have blue. And now I kind of, have a little thing. Now, is it perfect? No, it's not perfect, but it's awesome. It's freaking awesome. And if, like we have a little bit of pink over here. So if that's going to bother you, you just go up here to edit. Okay. Let's see if the magic eraser will take it out. Let's just go down. And by the way, I can't wait to show you. You could do things. Look at this magic eraser. We used to just have the brush and the click, right? Now we have foreground and text and all that right there. But I'll be going through that later. Okay, so oops, I went out on it. So I just want to do a brush on it. I'm going to take it down a little bit and see if I could just brush that out. Okay. And ooh, what is the auto detect? I'm gonna have to oh, okay, so it auto detect that. Hello. And then I want to delete that little space. Hello. Oh my God, this is awesome. Awesome. Okay, so there we go, you guys. That is one of the beautiful things I wanted to show you today. But do you see all the little things? Okay. Do you, oh, okay. I'm going to go ahead and do one more thing if I can find. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to click edit right here. Okay. Look at this. We have a background generator now. Not just background remover. We have background generator. Okay, so what do I want in the background? Well, obviously a party, birthday party scene. So I'm going to put a pink and blue party. Oh, let's just go ahead. Pink and blue party. Let's see here. Let's just do balloons. All right, now let's go ahead and generate that. When I said short, I guess I wasn't meaning too short, huh? Because we're at 8 already, but I did show you far more than one thing. Okay, and also while that's generating, um, I'm also going to be sharing in the Canva Creations with Pam Facebook group, something pretty much every day. So, if you're not in there, please head over. And so that way, and then on Sunday, I'll give you guys another video. Okay? Okay, come on. Look at this. And then they give you 4 different to choose from. Now, that looks like a big old monster in the back, too. And oh, it is they put a different monster, but it's okay. I like this one. This one would have worked. This is beautiful. Okay, so there you go, you guys. Go have some fun. Look around. There's all kinds of things now. Okay.